What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Taikyo Kills, and thank you for tuning in to another video. Now, before we begin, make sure you guys smash that like button, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button for more fashion content. Now, today I'm going to be covering the new Yohji Yamamoto Supreme collab. They did a release of Tekken gear. If you guys don't know what Tekken is, it's the GOAT of all fighting games. This isn't a discussion. I don't want to hear it. Yes, opinion, subjectivity, all that. It's the GOAT, all right? So as an FGC member, fighting game community, and a fashion guy, I had to support this collab because not too often do fighting games and fashion conflict with each other, all right? So I got two of the items like out of the drop, multiple items like puffer jackets, beanies, a skateboard, numerous things, but I got the hoodie and I got the like the Devil Kazuya Angel jacket. All right, so I'm gonna stop running my mouth now and I'm just go ahead and just jump right in it because I've been talking too long. Right, so I'm super pumped about it. My address, I gotta do this tactfully. Hold on, throw it over there. All right, hold on, let me take this ring off for a second. I don't want to screw it up. It's super heavy, but oh my god, you can right off the bat, I can tell it's a quality hoodie. You know, you got those blinks. This is a super heavy hoodie. Not surprised. Of course, Yohji's in the mix. So, what's this? We got some stickers. Oh, they're kind of bent. One of these. Oh no! Oh no! Check this out. A Supreme Tekken sticker. This is going on the slap desk. This is the slap desk, and this is where it's going. Matter of fact, boom, that one's going on the slap desk too. Two slap desks. All right, so we got two stickers. Now the other one I probably won't. So the jacket sold out immediately, so I kind of had to get the jacket off StockX. But here's the thing, like I only paid like $50 more than retail, which is super rare. So shout out to whoever that guy was. He didn't try to like freaking upcharge or anything like that, not some scalping stuff. Yo, this is a beautiful hoodie. So check this out. And you guys know we're gonna get closer. We're gonna show you guys a little bit more of the details. We're gonna do a little try on. This is beautiful. Now, if you guys don't know, the background, that kanji, I believe it is the same as Tekken's, and if it is, that says Iron Fist. I'll have to like double tap and look at it, but I believe this is like Tekken's kanji, which like just means Iron Fist. So it says Fall Winter 2022 in silver. We got Supreme written in gold, and we've got Yohji Yamamoto kind of like in a neon blue, and this is all Tekken-esque. If you check out the Tekken logo, you guys will see what I mean. Like I said, very heavy hoodie, very, very heavy hoodie. So you know this is gonna be very warm. Let's take a look at the back. So we got nothing on the back, but here down at the bottom, it does say Yohji Yamamoto Supreme. This is amazing. I'm curious, actually, this is made in Canada. I'll show you guys all this. I'm talking too much. You know, I'm running my mouth shut up, like yo. But yeah, beautiful hoodie. Again, we'll get more like closer in on that. All right, now this is the StockX one, so I'm hoping maybe I will get stickers with this one. Slaps. All right, go ahead. There's that StockX tag. I heard like something about StockX running something about being like doing counterfeits. I don't know how true that is. I think it's BS, but who knows? So let's just go ahead and hop right into the front. Now this jacket is beautiful. Just like the hoodie, I'm fanboying out right now. You guys can barely tell I'm keeping it so undercover and so under wraps. I know, right? So that is actually Devil Kazuya. This is like OG Tekken stuff. So you guys will have to, I'm not gonna get into the lore because most of you guys that are watching this probably don't play Tekken at all. So I'm just trying to give you guys a little bit more background on who these people are. The colors are super deep, rich, and vivid. It's beautiful, it's amazing. On the back, oh, we got Angel on the back, I forgot. So Angel is the kind of like a inside good conscience of Kazuya, and she could like restrain the devil. This is all Tekken lore stuff. I'm talking too much. Taikyo, we don't care about Tekken, we care about fashion here. All right, for my Tekken guys that may tune in, all right, I'm just, you know, we can't explain this to casuals, you know what I'm saying? My casual ass. All right, so on the back, we also got Yohji Yamamoto Supreme as well, but the kicker on here is this is all actually embossed and raised. So boom, you can actually run my finger across it. It's raised up, unlike on the hoodie, but that's not surprising at all. Now the jacket seems just as beautiful, just as well made. This actually came from, here's a tag, Dover Street Market. Have not heard of them, don't know who they are. I'm guessing they're the sellers that sold to StockX. We've got multiple zippers, a zipper here on the sleeve. Check that out, get deep in there. not trying to go too much into detail because we'll do this on the try on, but they both have those sleeve zippers. We got 2 pockets, zipper in, zipper out. Let's see what the inside is. Sometimes they clip the inside. No quilting on the inside, but we do have that Yohji Yamamoto Supreme tag. We do have a button on the bottom, which is kind of, I don't think I've ever seen that before. Some of you guys may have, but I've never seen a button on the bottom of a jacket with a zipper. That's unique, I guess. Maybe not. We also have these clasps on the side to use to adjust the waist area. So I'm going to stop talking and go ahead and try this stuff on for you guys so you can get a look.
All right, so let's start things off with the hoodie first. This retailed for $188. You can see we got 2 pull strings here, and this is a very heavy cotton hoodie. You're definitely going to be warm when you wear this, whether if you're out or if you just want to lounge around the house. Here you see that Supreme Yohji Yamamoto collab logo up front with that Tekken Iron Fist kanji in the background. On the bottom right here, you can see it says Yohji Yamamoto with a Supreme in the back. Now the hoodie does run a little big, but not too big. This is a medium. I'm about 172, 5'7", so it's going to be a slightly oversized fit, but not too oversized. Definitely a quality hoodie, and it does also come in different colorways as well. There is a stone colorway, which is just a white. There's a blue, and there's a red colorway as well. So if you guys are looking to cop this hoodie, you're going to be paying probably a little bit after market price, but it did retail for $188. Heading into the nylon bomber jacket. Now this retail for $388. It features the OG character Angel on the back. It's got the Yohji Yamamoto Supreme writing in the top right, and it is raised, so you do have a little bit of texture to it. On the front, we'll go over some of the functionality of the jacket. On the bottom, it has a bottom button with a zip up, obviously, but this was unique to me in the sense that I had never had a jacket with a bottom button and a zipper, but didn't have a top button. So I thought it was pretty cool in case I didn't want to zip it and I just wanted to button the bottom button just so you can see whatever shirt I'm wearing under the jacket. Also on this jacket, we've got 2 sleeve pockets. They are functional. They're not just for show like a lot of brands do with some of these pockets for some reason. You can put coins, whatever you want to fit inside there within reason. Going over the fit, it's slightly oversized. I gave you guys my measurements in the hoodie portion of this video. If you're my size, a medium will definitely do you good, but if you want something a little bit more fit, you can get a small, and I don't think it'll be too tight because you've got some extra space in here. And like I said, this was designed to be a little bit oversized. Now we also got Devil Kazuya on the front, and like I said, for my Tekken guys, you know what I'm saying, if you know, you know. I'm not gonna really talk too much about it because I know a lot of you guys are here just for the fashion portion. Now we do have some side cinches, but they only really give you about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch cinch down, so you're not gonna really tighten it much if you think so. You could roll the jacket up if you could, but you're going to lose a portion of the visuals from like the bottom of the feet if you do, but to each their own. Again, here's that Yohji Yamamoto Supreme raised lettering, and I thought this was a very great design. I'm actually going to do another portion of this jacket just so you guys could see a little bit closer how vivid the colors are on these jackets, because man, they are very beautiful, especially when you talk about Devil Kazuya's design. I mean, just the deep purple hues, they just really got it right. It really struck me in the sense of the original OG Tekken. And again, there's Angel on the back. And these are the 2 items I got, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get ready to close out the video. And something else I forgot to say, this jacket does come in white, guys.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I appreciate you all for tuning in with me. Let me know in the comment section what you all think of this drop. I don't expect many people will probably even know about this if you're not a Tekken person. But, if you just so happen to check it out, let me know. For me personally, 10 out of 10 just for being a Tekken guy, Yohji guy. The quality was great for me. So let me know what you all think. If you're a Tekken guy, I definitely say get it, because again, you don't get fighting games and fashion conflating often. I mean, you get Street Fighter, stuff like that, but I mean on a luxury brand level. Even if Supreme is kind of more streetwear luxury, you got Yohji in the mix, so that evens it out. That makes it luxury, right? I got the Balenciaga Croc Boot unboxing video coming later this week. Make sure you guys tune in for that. You can follow me on all my platforms at Taikyo Kills. Taikyo Kills, it's been real. I'm out of here. Go drink some water and go jog, all right? I'm gone.